Welcome to Pivot Online, your go-to channel for the latest opportunities to bolster your income online. In today's episode, we're diving headfirst into the world of rapid earnings, revealing a method that can help you earn an impressive $356.18 or more within just 24 hours. Affiliate marketing. The method revolves around affiliate marketing, where individuals earn commissions for promoting and selling products or services from third-party companies. Affiliate marketing is a powerful online income-generating strategy in 2023. It's a win-win situation for both businesses and individuals looking to earn extra income. Here's how it works. First, individuals, known as affiliates, partner with companies offering affiliate programs. These programs provide affiliates with unique tracking links or promo codes. Next, affiliates use their marketing skills and platforms, such as blogs, websites, social media, or email campaigns, to promote the products or services linked to those codes. When a customer clicks on an affiliate's link or uses their promo code to make a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. Commissions can vary widely, but they often range from a percentage of the sale to a fixed fee. What makes affiliate marketing appealing is its flexibility. Anyone with an internet connection and a passion for marketing can become an affiliate. It's an opportunity to monetize your interests and turn them into a source of income. Choosing an affiliate offer. When diving into the world of affiliate marketing, one crucial step is choosing the right affiliate offer. Let's explore how to make the best selection. First and foremost, we recommend using ClickBank, a well-known affiliate marketplace. ClickBank offers a vast array of digital products and services to promote, making it a fantastic starting point for affiliate marketers. Next, consider focusing on affiliate offers related to work-from-home jobs, especially if you're looking for opportunities in 2023. The work-from-home niche has seen significant growth, making it a hotbed for potential commissions. Lastly, pay attention to the gravity score. This score reflects the product's performance in terms of conversions. A higher gravity score typically indicates that the offer is popular and converting well for other affiliates. Creating an account with ClickBank. To kickstart your affiliate marketing journey, you'll need a ClickBank account. Here's how to do it. Head to ClickBank's official website. Click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and payment information. During the sign-up process, you might encounter a survey. To save time, we have a shortcut for you. Simply click the link in the video description to skip the survey and expedite your registration. By following these steps and using our shortcut, you'll have your ClickBank account ready in no time. It's your gateway to the world of affiliate marketing and potential earnings. Let's get started. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Promotional materials. In the world of affiliate marketing, creating eye-catching promotional materials can make all the difference. Here's a step-by-step guide to designing compelling visuals using Canva. Start by signing in or creating an account on Canva's user-friendly platform. Select the Custom Dimensions option and set the size suitable for your promotional material, such as a social media post or banner. Browse Canva's vast library of templates, images, and elements. Choose those that resonate with work-from-home opportunities. Customize your chosen template by adding catchy headlines, engaging descriptions, and your affiliate link. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts to make your promotion stand out. Don't forget to include a compelling call to action to drive clicks and conversions. Creating enticing visuals is crucial to grab your audience's attention. Canva simplifies the design process, even for beginners. So, start designing today and elevate your affiliate marketing game. Remember, captivating visuals can significantly boost your affiliate commissions. Creating affiliate link. To begin promoting a product as an affiliate, you'll need a unique affiliate link. Here's how to generate one on ClickBank. Log into your ClickBank account. In your dashboard, navigate to the Marketplace section. Browse and select the product you want to promote. Click the Promote button next to the product listing. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to create a tracking ID. This ID helps you identify where your commissions are coming from. Click Generate Hop Links, and ClickBank will generate your unique affiliate link. Now you have your personalized affiliate link ready to share. When someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you'll earn commissions. It's a simple yet essential step in your affiliate marketing journey. Promoting on Instagram. Promoting on Instagram can be incredibly effective, especially when you leverage influencers. One platform that simplifies this process is Shoutcart. Here's how to do it. Sign up on Shoutcart. Begin by signing up for an account on Shoutcart's website. Keyword search. Once you're in, use Shoutcart's search feature to find influencers whose content aligns with your affiliate offer. Select the right influencer. Look for influencers with a substantial following who offer shoutout services at an affordable price. It's essential to choose an influencer whose audience matches your target demographic. Order an Instagram story. When you've found the ideal influencer, click on their profile to see more details about their services. Usually, you'll want to order an Instagram story shoutout. This is a short, engaging way to promote your affiliate offer. Prepare your content. Before making the purchase, ensure you have your promotional image ready. You'll also need your unique affiliate link, which you can create on ClickBank as mentioned earlier. Place your order. Go ahead and order the shoutout from the influencer. You'll typically need to specify the date and time you want it to go live. Send your materials. Reach out to the influencer and provide them with both the promotional image and the affiliate link. They will include these in their Instagram story. Track your results. After the shoutout goes live, monitor the traffic and conversions using tools like ClickBank's reporting. This will help you gauge the effectiveness of the promotion. Using influencers on Instagram via platforms like Shoutcart can be a powerful strategy to reach a broader audience and increase your affiliate marketing earnings. Remember to choose influencers wisely, provide engaging content, and track your results to fine-tune your approach for even better outcomes. Earning free money on Coinbase. If you're looking to finance Instagram shoutouts for your affiliate marketing endeavors, you can start by earning free cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Here's how it works. Coinbase, your gateway to earning cryptocurrency. Coinbase is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange platform that not only allows you to buy and trade cryptocurrencies, but also provides opportunities to earn free crypto. Watch promotional videos for free cryptocurrency. One of the easiest ways to earn free money on Coinbase is by watching promotional videos. Coinbase frequently partners with various cryptocurrency projects and offers incentives for users to learn about these projects through short educational videos. Converting earned cryptocurrency to US dollars. Once you've earned cryptocurrency by watching these videos, you have the option to convert it to US dollars within Coinbase. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to turn your crypto earnings into traditional currency. Finance your Instagram shoutouts. Now here's where it gets interesting for affiliate marketers. You can use the US dollars you've converted from your earned cryptocurrency to finance Instagram shoutouts from influencers. This means you can promote your affiliate offers effectively without spending any of your own money. By utilizing Coinbase's free cryptocurrency rewards, you not only get a chance to earn money without any initial investment, but also leverage those earnings to boost your affiliate marketing efforts on Instagram. It's a smart and cost-effective way to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey and potentially earn even more commissions. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.